In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app that's already on your device. Then hit Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups, and click on those three dots at the top right corner to hit Recording Quality and tap on the best one for you. When you're ready to start recording, use this button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And by clicking on this one at the top right corner, you can enable or disable vocal enhancements. To end and save your recording, click on the same button as before. Click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom or all of those at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold it here and use all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!